Hello everybody, Yason here back again with another YouTube tutorial. So today's tutorial I decided to come with this simple project, and actually I'm not going to show you guys how to create something like this. I've been doing a lot of tutorials, making a lot of videos on how to design something like this. So if you wanted to check them out, please visit the link in the description or check out my YouTube channel and check all the videos I've been publishing about designing a web application. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to deploy your own web application online so that you can share with friends, family, and colleagues. So today's tutorial, I'm going to use GitHub Pages. As many of you know, GitHub is a version control. Um, it is used for maintaining softwares, and it has a feature called GitHub Pages where you can host your static website on it. So today, as we have our static website here, and this static website, we are going to deploy it in our GitHub Pages. So for you to follow along with this video, you have to create a GitHub account. If you don't have any GitHub account, search on Google and then you create a GitHub account. Then from there we proceed. As you can see, I've already logged into my GitHub. So this is my GitHub account, GitHub profile actually. So I have to come here into this button which is a new. You come here, clicking on this repositories, then you click on this button new. So after clicking on this button new, it will ask you to it will open the window, and this window will ask you to write the repository name. So here is where we are going to type our repository name. So in our application, because we have a shopping website here, so we have to give a name related to the shopping website. So I'm going to give it a click click on click on. So click on.github.io. This is how you label your whatever the repository name. You have to include the dot extension for github.io. This is very important. This one is specify the domain for your application or for the website. So I'll add the readme file, but you don't need to do that. Then from there, you either leave it in public or you make it a private repository. So from there, you click this button here, the gigantic button that says create repository. And after some seconds, it will open for us this window. And here is where we're going to upload all our files on GitHub. Then from there, we deploy our project. So I have to click on this button that say add file. You click on it. In the option 2, which is say upload file, because we have existing files, we have the website already, we just wanted to upload it online. So we click on this apply files, and then we choose files. So this one will open for us the window, and then let's locate to the directory where our files are stored. So it is stored here, and I'm going to pick these three files, which is the index.html, script.js, and then style.css. So I'm going to open these three files like this. So after some seconds, it will what upload all those three files. Then you just need to what click on this button, say commit changes. After clicking this button, commit changes, let's give it some moment and everything will be ready. So perfect. And as you can see, we have our three files here. And as you can see in our structure, we have, in our structure, we have this assets which are for our images, those images. So we have to include the assets in order for us to see all the images in our application, those images. So we have to come back here and then click on upload files. So here we are going to open the directory where our images are. We just need to drag and drop this folder here. After drag and drop it, it will copy, it will upload all the three files we have. So from there, we just need to click on commit changes, and then it will open for us our new window again. And in this new window, you can see all the three files and the assets folder. So this is what we want here actually. And Next thing is for you now to come to this tab which is called setting. You have to click on this setting tab, and in the setting tab you can scroll down here, and under this code and automation, you'll see there's pages here. You click on pages. So this is the repository name, as you can see, and then we just need to click on pages. Clicking on pages, it will open this new tab, and here is where you wanted to check your whatever the branch where your application is hosted. And as you can see, currently the branch is none. Okay, you have to change the branch name to be what? To be main. So you click on this one and then you just save it. So pages source saved updated. So this one is updated successfully. So you just need to give it some 2 or 3 seconds for everything to load as expected. So let's give it some seconds, then we'll open our website. So I'm going to click on these settings again and then come to pages. Okay, let's wait for a moment. So perfect. You see, after refreshing now, here is a message, and the message is saying that your site is now live at this URL. So this is the URL you have to visit by clicking it, or you just visit this. You click on this button, visit site. When you click on this button, it will open for you now the site, and as you can see, perfect. This is what we are expecting. And as you can see, all our files are here and everything is displaying as expected. And this is how you host our um, static files in GitHub Pages. And I hope this video helps, and I hope this video answer your question on how to deploy websites online. So this URL is where your website is staying, so you can share it with friends, family, and everyone. So if this video is nice, please give it me a like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. That really helps a lot. So bye bye for now. Catch you guys in the next video.